Welcome to Shadow Files. Today, a key development in the Charlie Kirk case as the accused shooter delays their plea, and a judge issues a warning about potential media restrictions. Shifting focus, the daughter of a missing American in the Bahamas has spoken out, accusing Brian Hooker of using his mother's illness as a pretext for leaving the country. Finally, we look back at a judge's warning regarding very concerning behavior from Justin Fairfax, issued weeks before his wife was tragically gunned down. Stay with us for all the details. Attorneys for Tyler Robinson argued that biased media coverage has tainted the jury pool, requesting cameras be excluded and a hearing delayed. The defense claims insufficient time to review evidence, while prosecutors insist a delay is unwarranted, outlining 4 evidence categories. Judge Tony Graff postponed a decision on camera access and hearing delays until May 8, leaving the courtroom buzzing with anticipation. Following the judge's announcement, Tyler Robinson was observed offering a brief smile, a rare glimpse of emotion in the tense proceedings. Judge Graff addressed a gag order, warning attorneys that violating publicity rules could lead to severe sanctions, including potential jail time. Robinson arrived under heavy police escort in an armored vehicle, with SWAT teams and snipers on rooftops, underscoring the gravity of the case. Robinson's parents and family members were present, visibly emotional as media coverage of the case was replayed in the courtroom. Defense argued crucial FBI and ATF digital DNA data is missing, violating rights and preventing evidence verification. This raw data is critical. Prosecutors countered with a mountain of proof, including surveillance, confessions, and DNA, deeming a lengthy delay unnecessary. Footage reportedly shows a limping Robinson with a rifle, coupled with matching political etchings and alleged written confessions. Robinson's mother audibly refuted a prosecutor's claim that he was wearing shorts, highlighting potential inaccuracies in the presented evidence. Defense emphasized the sheer volume of discovery, stating they have not had reasonable time to review thousands of pages of evidence. The judge questioned how forensic hearsay reports, without underlying data, meet the heightened reliability standard in a capital case. The defense requested at least 4 months to process the extensive evidence, citing dozens of agencies and hundreds of reports. Lead defense counsel revealed they haven't seen the suspected murder weapon, nor accessed Robinson's complex digital devices, raising critical concerns. Defense enlisted experts to support their motion, including a social psychologist who analyzed media coverage of the case. Courtrooms saw clips from various news outlets, causing Robinson's mother to tear up and the defendant to fidget during presentations. Declarations from witnesses expressing privacy concerns were presented, with the defense noting the difficulty of surveying thousands. An investigator testified that national media coverage was mixed, with tones negative towards both prosecution and defense and the victim's family. A psychology professor specializing in jury decision-making discussed the significant impact of negative pretrial publicity, noting it was predominantly anti-defendant. Defense argued that media, including social media, focuses on profit over true journalism, and electronic media is advancing the prosecution's case. Prosecutors advocated for open proceedings, stating transparency is the antidote to conspiracy theories and fosters public trust in the justice system. Erica Kirk, Charlie's widow, requested the court safeguard meaningful media access, with several media outlets also petitioning for cameras to remain. Robinson allegedly fired a single shot from a rooftop rifle, striking Kirk in the neck during a public event with thousands present. Campus police discovered marks consistent with a sniper position and found the suspected murder weapon in the woods where the suspect fled. Prosecutors revealed text messages, allegedly showing Robinson discussing wanting to retrieve the rifle shortly after the murder. Lance Twiggs, Robinson's romantic partner, is cooperating with investigators and has not been charged in connection with the case. If convicted of aggravated murder, Robinson faces the death penalty, along with charges including obstruction of justice and witness tampering. The preliminary hearing, crucial for establishing probable cause, has been postponed multiple times since Robinson's September 2025 arrest. We turn now to a troubling mystery in the Bahamas. Lynette Hooker's daughter, Carly Aylesworth, believes something is deeply wrong with her mother's disappearance and her stepfather's actions. Aylesworth suggests her stepfather, Brian Hooker, might be using his mother's serious illness as a pretext to leave the island, especially after his recent 5-day detention in Freeport. Brian Hooker abruptly left the Bahamas after vowing to stay and search for his missing wife, Lynette. This departure came just after his release from jail. Carly Aylesworth expressed that she never imagined her mother would vanish, calling her a wonderful person. She harbors fears her stepfather might escape accountability. Brian Hooker himself has vehemently denied any involvement in his wife's disappearance and has not been formally charged with any crime. His attorney stated that Hooker's primary focus remains the search for his wife, and that he intends to stay in the Bahamas as long as possible. However, within hours, Hooker's plans shifted dramatically. His legal team announced an urgent family emergency regarding his mother's grave condition. He has reportedly traveled to the United States to be by his mother's side during this critical period, according to his attorney. Upon arriving in the Bahamas, Aylesworth voiced strong criticism of her stepfather, questioning his swift departure after his public commitment to the search. Aylesworth disclosed that she was aware of prior issues concerning Brian's behavior, suggesting a thorough investigation is paramount before deeming the incident an accident. She also specifically accused Brian Hooker of having a history of domestic violence and significant anger issues, stating that something doesn't add up. Hooker claims Lynette fell overboard due to high winds and rough seas while returning to their sailboat. He maintains his innocence and has not been charged. Despite his release from a 5-day jail stay, the police investigation into Lynette Hooker's disappearance remains active and ongoing. We're transitioning to our third and final report of the day, focusing on a disturbing incident in Virginia. Authorities have confirmed a murder-suicide involving former LT, Governor Justin Fairfax. A Virginia judge had previously expressed serious concerns about Fairfax's mental state during a child custody hearing, citing his isolation and despair. The former LT, Governor allegedly killed his wife, Dr. Serena Fairfax, before taking his own life. This occurred amidst their ongoing divorce proceedings. The split followed sexual assault allegations made against Fairfax in 2019, which significantly impacted his political aspirations for governor. Court documents revealed the judge's observations of Fairfax's isolation, drinking, and a sense of hopelessness, painting a grim picture of his mental well-being. The judge described extreme tension in the couple's home life, with the living arrangements worsening the situation. Fairfax was ordered to move out. A 2022 incident involving a handgun purchase during a psychological event, using funds meant for his children's lessons, was also detailed by the judge. Authorities believe the acrimonious divorce played a significant role in this devastating murder-suicide. Thank you for joining us on Shadow Files. We hope you found this report informative. For more in-depth crime analysis and breaking news, please subscribe to Shadow Files. Like this video and share your thoughts in the comments below. We appreciate your engagement.